Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Labs. In today's video, we're going to talk about an amazing free AI image generator that lets you use Flux AI for free. That's right, you can generate unlimited number of images without paying a cent. Flux is the latest and most advanced model, and it's making waves in the AI world. It produces higher quality, more realistic images than many of the other models currently available, so it's definitely worth checking out. But before we dive in, please consider subscribing to the channel. Every subscriber helps us keep bringing you great content. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video and I'll show you how the tool works. Alright, so the website we're using today is called Piclumen. Don't worry, I'll drop the link in the description below so you can easily access it. Once you're on the site, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the Launch App button. From there, you can sign in with your Google account, just like I'm doing here. After signing in, you'll be greeted with this clean and simple interface. Here you can see a number of example images generated by this website. These examples really highlight the power of the Flux model, showing off the wide range of styles and levels of detail it can produce. Okay, so from here, we're going to go into the Create tab. To do that, you're going to click this right here. This is the interface where you'll be creating your images. As you can see here, you have multiple models available for generating your images. You also have access to the Flux model and other models from Piclumen as well. First, we'll start by using the model provided by Piclumen. After that, we can upload a picture to use as a reference for the model. I've chosen this picture as a reference, and now I'll generate images based on it. Now you'll notice we have several options: content reference, style reference, and character reference. If you want to generate the same character, go with character reference. For maintaining a consistent style, select style reference. In this case, I'll choose character reference. You can also control the strength of your input image, but I'm going to leave it at the default setting of 0.5. Now we're going to provide a prompt and see what types of images are generated using the character reference. The prompt we're going to give is: a scene set in medieval times features a determined man riding a majestic horse. Dressed in traditional armor with a flowing cape, he gallops confidently across a lush landscape under a blue sky. There are a few more settings you can adjust. In the settings, you can modify the aspect ratio. Choose whichever one you prefer, but I'll stick with the default one. You can also select the number of images you want to generate, with a maximum of 4. It's entirely up to you how many you'd like to create. After that, simply click the Generate button. Here are the 2 images generated by the tool. If you compare them to the reference image we provided, you'll notice that the generated images accurately reflect the facial features from the original. This clearly demonstrates the tool's impressive capabilities. Now let's explore some of the other features we can utilize in this tool. Here you can download, remix, remove the background, and upscale. There's also an option called inpaint, which we're going to use today, and I'll show you how it works. Here's what we're going to do. We'll start by selecting the brush tool and carefully highlight the specific portion of the image that we want to modify. Once the area is highlighted, we'll move to the prompt box and provide a description of the change we want. For example, I'm going to highlight the entire horse in the image. And then, in the prompt box, I'll specify that I want to change the horse's color to white. Now we have the generated image. And as you can see, it successfully changed the horse's color to white. Just imagine how creative you can get with your own AI images, generating anything you want. If the result isn't quite right, you can easily adjust it to match your desired outcome. Now that we've used the basic model, let's move on to the main topic of the video. Using the Flux model, which is available here and generates images for free. I also recommend trying the Piclumen line art and Piclumen anime models, as they produce excellent results. If you're looking for specific styles, those models are great options. But for now, let's select the Flux model and generate images with it. Now let's talk about how to generate prompts for the Flux model, as it requires specific details to create high-quality images. But don't worry, on a website called huggingface.com, you'll find a prompt generator for the Flux model. I'll quickly show you how to use it to generate your prompts. Here you'll enter the basic prompt for what you want to create. I'll ask it to generate an image of an astronaut on the moon wearing a cowboy hat. There are additional options you can select, such as the art form. Here I'll choose photography. You can also select the photo type from the available options, and I'll go with the slightly above option to generate the prompt. There are other options you can adjust, but for now, I'll stick with these. Okay, so first you're going to click this button. Then on this side here, you're going to choose the model that you want to generate the prompt. And then you're going to click on this generate button. Okay, so after the prompt has been generated, you're going to click on the copy button. Then we'll take it into Piclumen AI. With the Flux model, we'll take the prompt we obtained from Hugging Face AI, paste it here, and then click on the generate button. As you can see, the tool has generated a stunningly realistic image of an astronaut on the moon wearing a cowboy hat. It has followed our instructions perfectly, capturing the details beautifully. The overall result is impressive, showcasing the capabilities of the Flux model to create high-quality images that meet our specifications. I want to mention that the Flux model offered here is a lower-tier version. If you're looking for the best model that Flux provides, you can find it on huggingface.com, which I'll link below. Keep in mind that the number of images you can generate here is limited, whereas at Piclumen AI, you can generate unlimited images. So consider what best suits your needs. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, it's completely free right now. No credits, no payments, just pure creativity at your fingertips. So go ahead and try it out, anytime, anywhere. And if you want to stay up to date with more AI tools, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and of course, hit that bell icon so you never miss a new upload.